Hello everyone, welcome to the GK class of class 9th. The topic that we are going to study today is Indians at Tussauds. The objective of today's class is to know about the Madame Tussauds Wax Museum and the famous personalities from India featured in this museum. Madame Tussauds Wax Museum is a major tourist attraction in London. It has branches in a number of major cities across the world. It was opened in London in 1884. The waxwork of famous historical figures, popular film and television characters, and sports persons are displayed here. The museum was opened at Baker Street, London in 1835, but then relocated in 1884 to Marylebone Road, London. Now children, let us go through the word meanings that are coming in today's class. The first word is sculptor. An artist who makes sculpture is called a sculptor. Sculpture, the art of making forms and figures in the clay or other materials. Example, clay statue of a famous figure. The next term is showcase, to show the best qualities or part of something. As you can see in this picture, the quality of a good team and the quality of attacking is shown in this. Tutor, a private teacher is called a tutor. Pence, pence is the plural of penny, which is a unit of money. Now children, let us study about Madame Tussauds Wax Museum. Madame Tussauds Wax Museum was founded by sculptor Marie Tussaud. The roots of the idea date back to Paris in the year 1770. Marie Tussaud was a native of Strasbourg, France. Children, Strasbourg in France is at present the seat of European Parliament. Marie Tussaud learned the art of sculpting from her teacher and mentor, Dr. Philippe Curtius, who was also her mother's employer. Dr. Philippe was a physician skilled in the art of wax modeling. Young Marie's first sculpture was Francois Voltaire. She made it at the tender age of 16. Now children, let us see some facts about the museum. It takes about 6 months, more than 250 precise measurements and photographs, and $45,000 to make each of Madame Tussauds wax portraits. All portraits displayed in this museum have their hair washed and makeup retouched regularly. Tussauds suffered from a fire in 1925 and many statues were lost. They were recreated. The museum was hit by a bomb in 1940 during World War II. The bomb destroyed about 350 head molds and devastated a cinema which was part of the museum at that time. Now let us see the branches of the museum. The first overseas branch of Madame Tussauds is in Amsterdam, Netherlands. It was opened in 1970. At present, there are 21 Madame Tussauds worldwide, including 6 in the USA, and museums in Beijing, the capital of China, Tokyo, the capital of Japan, and Sydney, the largest city of Australia. Now let us see who are the famous personalities from India featured in Madame Tussauds Wax Museum, London. Mahatma Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, Amitabh Bachchan, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Madhuri Dixit, Shah Rukh Khan, Little Master Sachin Tendulkar, Hrithik Roshan, Salman Khan, Kareena Kapoor, and many other Indians are portrayed in Madame Tussauds Wax Museum, London. Children, with this we complete our today's topic. You must read the topic from your book. You must read newspaper regularly. Write 10 news from different fields like politics, entertainment, sports, business, national and international news. The news should be permanent. You must find at least 10 new words and write their meanings in your news file. So children, we will meet in the next video now. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.